Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to change the font in an email in Gmail, adding a personal touch to your messages. To begin, open up your Gmail account and click on the Compose button to start writing a new email. So once you're in the email composer, look for the formatting toolbar at the bottom. You'll see an icon that looks like a capital letter A. This is where the magic happens. So click on the A icon and then choose this one. You will then have an options to choose on what font you want to use. For example, we will use Comic Sans MS and then start typing. So the font is already updated to the font that you choose. And that's it. You now know how to change the font in an email in Gmail, giving your messages a personal touch. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to change the font in an email in Gmail. See you on my next video.